Hey Courtney, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you for watching this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. And you're probably asking why I make this video. It's simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are just, they're just spending the time getting their customers and trying to make money, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically the only thing holding someone back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out, please give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to take this information and use it yourself, that's okay. This is just for education. All I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So to start, my first tip is content, and that's everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. Keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, it'd be like cleaning services in Dallas. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read as well as whatever text is behind your images, also including the whatever image was saved as. So you don't have a website. I talked to you on the phone earlier, but I'm just going to show you some competitors' websites just so you can see what I'm talking about. This is Dallas Maids, one of your main competitors, and you also have 2 Maids Dallas. These are the number 1 and number 2 guys in Google. So these guys, obviously they have a good looking website, but that does not matter. What does matter is content, and these guys probably have about, let's see, I'm curious on how much they have. Probably about like 1,000 maybe. They have, so close, 1,022. They got about 1,000 words on the front page. So if you get 1,500 words on your front page when you build it, you're going to beat them already in content. So that's my first tip for you. And 2 Maids, they have even less. So yeah, 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. One other thing that I don't think they're doing right, most people don't. Right here, it says Fox News 4 Dallas. That's fine, but if you want to get ranked, you want to put like cleaning service Dallas. Let's see what this image saved as. Homepage image 2, that should be like cleaning services Dallas or house cleaning Dallas or something like that, right? So that's my first tip. My second tip is going to be backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website so they can drive traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning services linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that obviously you're not a pizza company, especially your name's like Courtney's Cleaning. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so there's a lot of numbers here. I'll explain it to you real quick. So DallasMaids.com has 244 websites linking to them, and then 2 Maids has 54 websites linking to them. Now this is really easy. You can add about 10 websites a day linking to you without Google getting suspicious. So it was totally fine. So you can beat these guys in about a week, and you can beat these guys in about a month. And the best way to do it is just to go figure out what links these guys are getting and go to those same websites and get those people to link to you. And I would take the ones like House Cleaning Today, Maid Service, House Cleaning, Clean House. These are all really good links I would go grab, okay? Last thing I'm going to tell you about is going to be citations. When somebody does type in cleaning service Dallas TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning service that shows up that seems trustworthy. And obviously you want to be that cleaning service because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads because of bad experiences in the past, but there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who never see them. So you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business or local map pack section. Getting here just you need more citations than your competitors, and citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. My strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are in. Obviously list yourself in those same ones, but then add a bunch more on top. The more the merrier. You want to give yourself a nice space cushion, so once they start chasing after you, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, Courtney. What I went over today was content. You don't have a website, but you're going to definitely want to get your website up. And 1,500 words of content is going to blow your competition out of the water. Copy what backlinks they have and add a bunch more. And then you can do this before you get your website up. Copy what citations they have and add more. And that'll get you ranked to the top of the Google My Business section. So, Courtney, if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. This is a free educational video. I'm just trying to help business owners out. All I ask is you just give me, a sentence or two of feedback to response to this email just to help me get my business better. And if you want me to help you with this, you can always give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for watching this, Courtney. Have a great day. Bye.